Hello everyone, today I am making grilled mango and pineapple with coconut crunch. For that, first we'll heat pan, add some butter. Now add shredded coconut, sugar, pink salt, and we'll stir continuously for about 3 to 4 minutes. Stop when it is golden and the sugar is caramelized. Now you can see it is almost ready. Keep it aside. Now we'll take diced chunks pineapple, peel and dice mango, this skewer stick, it is easily available in the market. Now put it alternative in skewers. First we'll put pineapple, then mango, pineapple and mango. Now we'll make some skewers out of this. This is served like a dessert and it comes out very tasty. Now we'll heat grill pan, add some oil and fry skewers evenly on all sides. Fry it until it is little burnt. It should cook evenly from all the sides. Now you can see our grilled pineapple mango is almost ready. Now place it in a plate with some ice cream topped with coconut crunch. Thank you for watching my channel. Do like and subscribe to my channel.